Hello there, my name's Fernando and I'm a developer advocate here at GitLab, and today I'm excited to show off the beta version of GitLab's Security Inventory, which provides a centralized view of your organization's security posture within GitLab. Now, as you may know, security teams often lack visibility into the full scope of what they are protecting, as each application comes with its own complexities. So when we assess our security posture, we ask ourselves, what assets do we own? How are these assets being protected? As well as where are we most at risk? This is where GitLab's Security Inventory allows you to answer these questions and get on track by providing complete visibility into your attack surface to quickly prioritize what matters. Now let's dive in and see the Security Inventory in action. To access the Security Inventory, go to the group you wish to assess, then navigate to the Secure tab, and then select Security Inventory. Now we are in the Security Inventory, which shows the list of your subgroups in the left sidebar. From here, you can search for a particular group/project or navigate to what you wish to assess. I'm going to go ahead and click on Conferences. Now, on the right side, we have a list of all the groups as well as projects within that subgroup. In the Vulnerabilities section, we can see the total amount of vulnerabilities detected with gradients signifying their severity. If we hover over the Vulnerabilities bar, we can see the totals for each vulnerability severity, as well as quickly access the vulnerability report and see the last date that report was updated. In the Tool Coverage section, you can see which security scanners are currently enabled. For subgroups, a status bar is provided to showcase how many projects are being covered by a particular scanner. Let's look at SAST. Here we can see for the AWS Reinforced group, SAST is currently enabled for one project. It has not failed for any projects and is currently not enabled for two projects within that group. The last date that this information was updated was 3 days ago. For projects, we're provided with more detailed data. When looking at SAST, we're provided with the status, as well as the last scan time, and a link to the pipeline job. It also shows which types of SAST are enabled. Here we can see that basic SAST is enabled and was last used 1 month ago, and that GitLab Advanced SAST is also enabled and was also used a month ago, and we have the links to the valid pipelines. Note that there's also a section for us to manage the configuration to enable scanners that are not there or to further configure them. The last date that this was updated was 1 month ago. These features allow us to understand what assets exist within our environment as well as where the risk is being accumulated. You can see what is actually being scanned, assuring that your security assessment is accurate. And that's the Security Inventory. To learn more about GitLab's security and compliance, see the links in the description. And here in GitLab, we highly value transparency. So if you want to follow along with this feature's development, see the epic linked below. Thank you.